Hi, family. Hi, everyone. I'm so excited to see you all again. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Muna, also known as AfroliciousMuna on Instagram. So, into this video, I'll show you all how I achieved this beautiful style, which is a combination of a protective style and a low manipulation hairstyle, the born and then the loose fringe. This tie can be rocked anywhere, to party, to school, to even the office. You can rock the style. So if you want to know how I achieved this style, please do well to watch to the end of the video. And if you're an OG, you're welcome back. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please press the red subscription button and then do not forget to press the bell button so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And also like, comment and share this video with your friends and family because I always share a lot of hair tips, styling videos that will help you grow a healthy hair. So without further preambles, let's go straight to the video. So I'll be making use of my leave-in conditioner. Here I'm using the Sheer Moisture Restore and Strengthen leave-in conditioner, my rose water in my spray bottle, and then my homemade whisked butter. If you want to know how I do deal with my butter, let me know in the comment section. And then my aphrodisiac hair growth oil, my amla oil. I just use this oil because I've had it for a long time. I don't like using it really. Just said let me explore it today. And then my AfroliciousMuna hair growth elixir. So I will be spraying the rose water. Take note, I've divided my hair into two sections. Just divided a little part that I'll be using to make that I'll use for the fringe. So I'm spraying my rose water, and my rose water is warm. I have to warm it up because I have a low porosity hair, so I warmed it. And after spraying my rose water, I'll be going in now to apply my leave-in conditioner, but I'll be concentrating more on the tip because they are the oldest part of my hair. You may ask, why did I go for rose water? I actually opted for rose water because most times the water we find around is hard. So as a result of the hard water and all that, what I did is to go over and make use of rose water, which is beneficial for our hair. If you want to know more about rose water and its benefits, please go see my post. I did a post on that on my Instagram page at AfroliciousMuna. Please check it out. So after that, I'll be applying my oils. I have applied my butter already, still on my tip, and then applied my oil. So here I'm using the LCO method of moisturization. So I use the brush to just brush my hair up, and then I will be tying it up with a shoelace. Do laugh at me. I'm using a shoelace, so you can use a ribbon tie if you have any. Why some people even use bra strap too. So that's weird kind of. So just use whatever you have, but not something that will snag on your hair actually. So you tie it up like you want to make a high bun. Don't tie it too tight, but just make it firm but not tight. I'm still going to release it. Just watch what I do. But we're about going out to see. I wanted to go visit my aunt at Lekki, so that was when I actually did this style. I had to quickly loosen my threading and rock the style. It's very easy to do, sharp style and beautiful. So I now divided the bun part into 4 equal parts and twisted them loosely, as you can see, into 4 equal parts, and I twisted them loosely. So now I am taking up all the ones I twisted loosely. So I now twisted the tips. Then I took that a bobby pin, fixed them together, and then can you see what I'm doing now? I put them together and all the tips together and tucked them inside the bun, so you won't even see my teeth anymore. So that is all about the bun. Can you see that now? So then the front section, I'm going to do a loose twist for the front section. My hair is so dark that you cannot even see very well. Oh gosh. So I'm doing a loose twist. First I started with a very firm twist at the roots, then after twisting it tight like 3 times, then the rest part I did them loosely, very loose. So doing a loose twist. I don't like twisting all my hair, so once I get to a point I will just take my butter and twirl the ends. So doing the same thing, that's the last one. Then twist it loosely like so. So I'm twisting it loosely. When you get to I don't like twisting all my hair, so I just twist it. When I get to the tip, I still leave some and just twirl it. So that's all I do. So people, that is the hairstyle. Let me know what you feel about this hairstyle. If you're gonna rock it out, if you like it, please give me a thumbs up. And I'm still growing back my edges, as you know. If you want to watch the video of how I grew back my edges, I'll link it in the card above. So I'm still trying to grow it back. So thank you all guys for watching. Have a beautiful day. Thank you. Thank you all for watching. To have a beautiful day. Thank you so much. Bye.